Welcome to my channel. NETGEAR AC3000 Tri-Band Desktop Extender. Place the extender midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet and wait for the power LED to turn green. Use a device to find the extender's default Wi-Fi network, usually named NETGEAR_EXT, and connect to it. Open a web browser and enter the URL provided in the manual, typically http://www.mywifiext.net, to access the setup wizard. Enter the default login credentials, usually admin/password, or follow prompts if you set a custom login. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the Wi-Fi password to connect the extender to your router. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, and wait for the extender to reboot. Once set up, connect your devices to the extender's network, often NETGEAR_EXT_2GXT or NETGEAR_EXT_5GXT. If needed, adjust the extender's position for optimal coverage, ensuring the signal from the router is strong. Check the signal strength and internet speed in the areas previously lacking coverage. Thank you for watching.